Good morning, all of you. In these topics, we are going to study the short summary of, or I think, nomenclature of organic compounds. The purpose of the IUPAC system or the nomenclature is to establish the international standard of naming the compounds to facilitate the communications. The goal of the system is to give the each structure a unique and unambiguous names. So for the systems of the general names, for if the compounds having the only one carbon atom, that is called as methane, ethane, propane, butane, 5 carbon pentane, 6 carbon hexane, 7 carbon heptane, 8 carbon octane, 9 nonane, 10 decane, 11 undecane, 12 dodecane, tridecanes likewise. Alkanes are the family of the saturated hydrocarbons, that is molecule containing the carbon and hydrogen connected by the single bonds only. These molecules can be in the continuous chains or in the rings. The name of the alkanes and the cycloalkanes are the root names for the organic compounds. Beginning with the 5 carbon alkanes, the number of the carbons in the chain is indicated by the Greek or Latin prefixes. The rings are designed by the prefix cyclo. Here is the 3-membered cyclic ring is cyclopropanes. 4-member cyclic ring is cyclobutane. 5-member cyclic ring is cyclopentane. 6-member cyclic ring is cyclohexane. 7-member cyclic ring is cycloheptane. 8-member cyclic ring is cyclooctanes. Next, nomenclature of containing the constituent and the functional groups. Here is the list of the priority are given, except the substituent within the group C equivalents. So carboxylic acid having the preference first preference for the functional groups, and the prefix carboxy and the suffix is the oic acid. For aldehyde, it is a if it is taken as the prefix and the suffix, that is Al. When we take this prefix and as a suffix, for example aldehyde is there, when we take it as oxo and when we take it as al, we know that the principal functional group is taken as the suffix, and when there are more than two functional groups are there, so one group is taken as the principal functional group, that is taken as the parent functional group. That parent functional group taken as the suffix according to its preferences, and if another are taken as the prefixes. So here is the preferences also given. The carboxylic acid as the first preference are given, aldehyde. Ketones are taken as oxo, and if it is taken as suffix then one. Alcohol is taken as hydroxy, if suffix as ol. Amine is taken as the amino, suffix is amine. Alkane systems, in is the suffix, alkyne system yn is the suffix. Alkyl groups are always taken as the prefixes. For halogen, fluoro, chloro, bromo, iodo are taken as the prefixes. Okay. Miscellaneous substituent, as the NO2 group is there, that is called as the nitro groups. If CH double bond CH2, that is called as the vinyl group. When CH2 CH double bond CH2, that is called as allyl groups, and one that is phenyl group also are the prefixes given. If the methyl the methyl groups, isopropyl group, secondary butyl group, propyl groups, isobutyl group are taken as the suffixes. Organic compound containing the substituent from the above sequence. To find the longest, rules of this is to find the longest continuous carbon chain, determine the root name for this parent chain. In the cyclic compound, the ring is usually considered as the parent chain unless it is attached to a longer chain of the carbon indicating the ring with the prefix cyclo before the root names. Step second is to number the chain in the direction such that the position number of the first substituent is the smaller numbers. If the first substituent from the other end have the same numbers, then the number so that the second substituent has to the smaller numbers. Step third, determine the name and the position number of the each constituents are given. Indicate the number of the identical groups by the prefixes di, tri, tetra, etc. Place the position numbers and the names of the substituent group in the alphabetical order before the root name. In the alphabetical or ignorance prefix like the secondary, tertiary, di, tri, etc. but the included are iso and cyclo. Always include the position number for each substituent regardless of the. Here is the chain are given. Here is the selected longest continuous chain. Numbering is given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is longest continuous chains having the substituents. Here is the chain longest the second is the longest continuous chain. Name are given 3 bromo, 2 chloro, 5 ethyl, 4 dimethyl octanes. Name are given 3 fluoro, 4 isopropyl, 2 methyl heptanes. Next is the naming of the molecule containing functional groups. Here is the functional group is alkene, that is ene. Functional group alkene is that is ene. Functional group alkene is that is ene. Here is the another compounds having the functional groups, that is CS3, CS2, CS2, NS2. Propane 1 amine is the functional groups. Amine is the selected as the prefix suffix. Alcohol taken as the suffix as the ol, it containing 2 carbon, that is ethanol. In case of ketones, suffix is one taken as the one. In the second of 3 positions at the hydroxy butane 2O in this way. Aldehyde suffix is taken as al. It is for methane 1 carbon containing, that is methanol, ethanol. 4 hydroxy butane 2 enol, 4 oxopentanol. Cyclohexane carboxyldehyde. Acid is the oic acid, that is methanoic acid, ethanoic acid are the names are given to the compounds. So the friends, do the practice of this. We will cover the remaining part of this in the next lecture. Thank you.